In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a YouTube video on your Wix website. If you want to add a video to your site so visitors can watch it without leaving the page, Wix makes the process very simple. I will walk you through it clearly so you can place your video where you want it and adjust a few playback settings to match your website style. To begin, sign into your Wix account and open the site you want to edit. This is where you will make all the changes to your page layout and content. Give the editor a moment to load fully so all your design tools are available. Once you are inside the editor, look to the left side of the screen. You will see a menu with different options for adding content to your site. Click Add Elements, which is marked with a plus icon. This section contains all kinds of items you can place on your page, including text, images, buttons, and video tools. From there, move to the Video and Music section. When that opens, go to Single Video Players and choose YouTube. After selecting it, drag the YouTube player onto your page and place it wherever you want the video to appear. Try to position it in a spot that fits naturally with the rest of your content. And make sure here is enough space around it so it looks clean and professional. Next, click on the video player you just added and select the Change Video button. At this point, open YouTube in another tab and copy the full URL of the video you want to embed. Then go back to Wix and paste that full web address into the field provided. Using the complete video link helps Wix correctly load the video into the player. After your video is linked, you can customize how it plays. In the same settings area, you'll see options such as autoplay and loop. Turn autoplay on if you want the video to begin automatically when someone opens the page. Turn on loop if you want it to replay continuously after it ends. These settings can be useful depending on the type of page you are building, but make sure they fit the experience you want visitors to have. Once everything looks right, review the placement and settings, and your YouTube video will be ready on your Wix site. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.